Have fun kayaking, boys. So Ella's in rare form this morning. Guess what? You want to say something? Okay, so today is Tuesday. I think Tuesday? Yeah. Our day 12. And we dropped the boys off to do their kayaking. So we dropped them off, and then now we're over here, which Ella keeps walking out of the frame here. Oh, there you are. We're walking down here, and we're going to do our second horseback riding trip. So yeah, we're excited. We're actually in Glacier Park, so this will be pretty fun and exciting. So we'll catch you later.
So we're just going for this group to come back. They should be back in about 3 minutes, and then we'll get you guys out. Yeah.
What's the name of your horse? Matt. Yeah. I'm gonna be on Gunslinger. Hey, buddy. So we're starting our trail, and we just went through part of a rainforest, which has several different kinds of trees in it, and he said that it gets up to 75 inches of rain each year. That noise that you hear is a bird. And he said it was a thrush. Very cool. I've never heard anything like that before. Okay, we just finished our second horseback trail ride. And what'd you think, Ella?
It's really fun.
Really fun, yeah. This one was different than the other one, because the other one was more just like on the mountaintop and out in the open, and this one was definitely more woodsy and rocky. And then we ended up and we could see Lake McDonald and cross the bridge, which that was pretty cool, wasn't it? Yeah, this one, it was supposed to be a 2 hour, but it ended up being like 2.5 hours. One had there was more rules and regulations. You had to sign more waivers, and Ella had to wear a helmet, so anyone under 18 has to wear a helmet. And yeah, so I don't know if it's just because it's inside the actual national park versus the other one wasn't, so I don't know. But it was fun. I think these horses were a little less farty, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you happy you got another horseback riding in?
Yeah.
Good. You're so talkative. Yeah. All right, well, let's go catch up and see what the boys have been up to and see if they enjoyed their kayaking. So how was it, guys?
Well, we went kayaking. Did you know we went kayaking?
And it was
Yes.
terrible. It was the worst thing we've ever
The
done.
lake was crystal clear. You could probably see down what, 20, 30 feet?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Probably 30
I mean, at
feet,
least
yeah.
until you disappear, because 500
500 feet. It was awesome.
The
was
Red
awesome.
Rocks, the Bald Eagle area. We sat there for a while and watched
Yeah,
several
we
bald
saw
eagles.
a bunch of bald eagles.
Oh, really?
Bunch of them.
Oh yeah.
We're flying around.
Having a coffee out there, drinking my coffee.
Cool.
It was real cool. We probably went maybe like 3 miles, maybe 4 miles
3 or
out.
4 miles up, probably.
It was awesome.
Somebody's going to enjoy a find of Purdue flip-flops out there
Yeah.
on,
Dad,
on the bank.
Dad left them out.
Oops.
All right.
Okay.
It was great.
Good. I'm glad you guys had a good time. Very happy to hear that. So we're taking a little break and hanging out at Lake McDonald. You can see the kids playing in the lake behind us. And the stones here are so colorful. It's just crazy how the water and the sun just mixes with that and just makes the colors really pop out. So Ella and I, we enjoyed our horseback riding tour, and it's kind of like around here, huckleberries are very, very popular. So there's like huckleberry jam, huckleberry ice cream, huckleberry syrup. Those are huckleberry salsa. No. Oh, there's a lot of huckleberry stuff. And what they said is that you can't transplant huckleberry plants. So if they just grow here in patches, this is the only place they can grow and that you can get them. And they're picked by hand. And so they can't transplant that plant to another place to grow huckleberries. So they're smaller than a blueberry. But Noah's had their ice cream a couple times, the huckleberry flavor, and he said it was really, really good. And Joe tasted it and he said it was really good. So I may have to try some later. Yeah, so yep, we're enjoying this beautiful area, and yeah, we'll touch base later.
You gotta get in, the water's so warm.
Oh,
So warm.
I'm kind of thinking they're not telling the truth. Oh my. Yeah, that didn't feel warm. We're not paying attention.
Nope.
We were done.
No,
We saw it. We paid. They weren't paying attention. We walked by. We said,
they're
"Let's
gonna
go." Are they gonna try to hide now? No, they're gonna try to hide. They got us. Uh-oh.